Good morning, students. Now we discuss about the exercise 9.5. So first problem, you see the first problem exercise, that means exercise first problem, first subdivision, integral 0 to pi by 2 dx by 1 plus 5 cos square x. This is a given integral. So you see exercise first problem, first subdivisions. Now the given integral I take the I, so I equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 dx by 1 plus 5 into cos square x. I taken to 1 by secant square, because cos is the reciprocal of the secant, so we write it. So we write secant equal to 1 by cos, or cos equal to 1 by secant. So I write here cos square x equal to 1 by secant square x, because reciprocal to each other. So now in the next step I write it integral 0 to pi by 2 dx by, here I write it 1 plus 5 by secant square x. So in the next step I write it, that means now the next step integral 0 to pi by 2 dx by, I just doing the cross multiplication, secant square x into 1 secant square x, secant square x plus 5 by secant square x. The next step you write it, this secant square x you write in the numerator, this secant square x you write in the numerator, so you write it. So here that means integral 0 to pi by 2 secant square x dx by secant square x plus 5. So integral 0 to pi by 2 secant square x dx by secant square x you write it 1 plus tan square x, so 1 plus tan square x plus 5. So in the next step equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 secant square x by 1 plus 5 is 6 plus tan square x into, so integral 0 to pi by 2 secant square x dx by 6 plus tan square x. Now you take u equal to tan x, so u equal to tan x means differentiate with respect to x. So du by dx equal differentiation of the tan x is secant square x. So in the next step du equal to, you just doing the cross multiplication, secant square x into dx. Therefore now we change the limit here, the x limit is 0 to pi by 2 now. So here the function is u equal to tan x I take, so x equal to 0 to pi by 2. Now I convert the x limit to u limit. So first x equal to 0 I substitute here, x equal to 0 means tan 0 means tan 0 value is 0, so u equal to 0. Next I substitute x equal to pi by 2, so here pi by 2, tan pi by 2 is infinity, therefore u equal to infinity. So therefore x equal to x limit 0 to pi by 2 means here I take the limit 0 to infinity, therefore I write it, that means I equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 secant square x dx by 6 plus tan square x equal to integral 0 to infinity. Next secant square x dx, secant square x dx I take the du by 6 plus tan square x I take the u, so u square, so equal to integral 0 to infinity du by u square. This is 6, I write it root 6 whole square, therefore this is a 1 by a square plus b, 1 by a square plus x square format. So we apply the formula for integral 1 by x square plus a square into dx, that formula we apply here. Therefore you write it I equal to integral 0 to infinity du by u square plus root 6 whole square. So integral dx by a square plus x square equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. This is the formula, integral dx by a square plus x square equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Therefore you write it, a means here root 6, here x means u, x square plus a square means x equal to u, a equal to root 6. So you just substitute in this formula, that means you substitute 1 by root 6 into tan inverse x by, x means u by root 6, so 1 by root 6 tan inverse u by root 6, substitute the limit 0 to infinity, therefore 1 by root 6 into tan inverse u by root 6 into 0 to infinity. The next step 1 by root 6 into tan inverse, first you substitute the upper limit u infinity by root 6 minus tan inverse 0 by root 6. So next 1 by root 6 into tan inverse infinity, tan inverse infinity means it is a pi by 2, its answer is tan inverse infinity pi by 2, because tan pi by 2 infinity, so tan inverse of tan pi by 2 is pi by 2, so I substitute here pi by 2 minus next tan inverse 0, tan inverse 0 means tan inverse of tan 0, so the answer is tan inverse of tan is 1, so the answer is 0, therefore equal to pi by 2 root 6. This is the answer for the given integral, that means our given integral is integral 0 to pi by 2 dx by 1 plus 5 cos square x equal to pi by 2 root 6. This is our answer. So you see the exercise problem, first problem, second subdivision, integral 0 to pi by 2 dx by 5 plus 4 sin square x. Here I equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 dx by 5 plus 4 into sin square x. You write it the 1 by cosecant square x. So you write it dx by 5 plus 4 by cosecant square x. In the next step you just doing the cross multiplications. So integral 0 to pi by 2 dx by 5 into cosecant square x, 5 cosecant square x plus 4 by cosecant square x. In the next step, integral 0 to pi by 2 cosecant square x dx by 5 cosecant square x plus 4. So in the next step, integral 0 to pi by 2 cosecant square x into dx by 5 into cosecant square x. You will write 1 plus cot square x. So you write it 5 into 1 plus cot square x plus 4. So in the next step you write integral 0 to pi by 2 cosecant square x by, you multiply 5 plus 5 cot square x plus 4. So in the next step you write it I equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 cosecant square x dx by 5 cot square x plus 5 plus 4 9. So in the next step u equal to cot x. So u equal to cot x means differentiate with respect to x. Du by dx equal to differentiation of cot x is minus cosecant square x. Cosecant square x. So du equal to minus cosecant square x dx. Therefore minus du equal to cosecant square x dx. Next u equal to cot x. So first here x limit is 0 to pi by 2. You substitute x equal to 0 to pi by 2. You substitute u equal to cot 0 means infinity, because cot means cos by sine. So we get the answer cot 0 is infinity, u equal to infinity. Next cot pi by 2. Cot pi by 2 means the answer is 0, u equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 0 to pi by 2, we substitute infinity to 0. So next this is a limit. Next du equal to minus cosecant square x dx. This is a minus du equal to cosecant square x dx. So the next step you write it I equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 cosecant square x dx by 5 cot square plus 9 equal to, now we substitute the limit. 0 to pi by 2 means the u limit is, that means infinity to 0 minus du cosecant square x dx means minus du by cot square x is u. So cot x is u, so 5 u square plus 9. So in the next step minus, now we interchange the limit. The infinity to 0, we interchange 0 to infinity. So 1 minus, we multiply in the integral. So minus of 0 to infinity, and next again there is a 1 minus du by 5. We take the 5 in the outside. 5 of u square plus 9 by 5. We take the 5 from the this factor. So 5 into u square plus, there is no 5 in the second term, so we divide by 5. So 9 by 5. In the next step 1 by minus into minus plus. So 1 by 5 integral 0 to infinity du by, that means you write u square plus 9 by 5. In the next step 1 by 5 integral 0 to infinity du by u square. 9 by 5 we will write, that means 3 by root 5 whole square. So in the next step integral dx by a square plus x square equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. This is the formula. Integral of dx by a square plus x square equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. So in the next step here x equal to u, a equal to 3 by root 5. Therefore 1 by 5, here a equal 1 by 5 into the formula 1 by a means 3 by root 5. I substitute 1 by a, 3 by root 5 tan inverse x by a. X means u by 3 by root 5. So the limit is 0 to infinity. In the next step 1 by 5 into 1 by 3 by root 5, I write it root 5 by 3 tan inverse, again we write it this root 5 u by 3. Now I apply the limit, upper limit infinity. So next step you write it, that means I write the 5 I write it by root 5 into root 5 into root 5. So root 5 cancelled into tan inverse of root 5 u by 3. In the next step I write it 1 by 3 root 5 into tan inverse of, you apply the limit, that means tan inverse infinity. Now 1 by 3 root 5 tan inverse root 5 u by 3 into 0 to infinity. Now I apply the limit, upper limit minus lower limit. 1 by 3 root 5 into tan inverse infinity minus tan inverse 0. Tan inverse infinity means tan pi by 2 equal to infinity. So I substitute infinity equal to tan pi by 2. So tan inverse of tan pi by 2 is pi by 2. So the answer is pi by 2 will come. Next tan inverse of 0 means tan 0. So tan inverse of tan 0 means 0. I substitute here. So pi by 2 minus 0. Therefore, that means 1 by 3 root 5 into pi by 2 means pi by 6 root 5. This is our answer. Therefore, our integration is integral 0 to pi by 2 dx by 5 plus 4 sine square x equal to pi by 6 root 5. This is our answer. So here integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power nx dx equal to the formula is n minus 1 by n into n minus 3 by n minus 2 into up to etc 1 by 2 into pi by 2 if n is even. This is a even function, that means sine n is even, so this is a formula n minus 1 by n into n minus 3 by n minus 2 into up to etc 1 by 2 into pi by 2. Next, integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power n x into dx n minus 1 by n into n minus 3 by n minus 2 into n minus 5 by n minus 4 up to etc 2 by 3 if n is odd. The n value is odd means this is the formula. Next, integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power nx dx equal to n minus 1 by n into n minus 3 by n minus 2 up to etc 1 by 2 into pi by 2 if n is even. Next, integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power nx dx equal to n minus 1 by n into n minus 3 by n minus 2 into n minus 5 by n minus 4 up to etc 2 by 3 if n is odd. So if n is odd means this is the formula, cos power n is odd, this is the formula, n is even, this is the formula. In sine term, sine function, n is even, odd, this is the formula, n is even, this is the formula. So these formulas we used the following problems. So first one, exercise 9.6, evaluate the following integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power 10x into dx. So this is a problem. Now we take n equal to 10. N is a even number. So even number means we consider this formula, integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power nx dx equal to n minus 1 by n into n minus 3 by n minus 2 up to etc 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So here we take n equal to 10. So integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power 10x dx. So I substitute here n equal to 10. So 10 minus 1 by 10 into 10 minus 3 by 10 minus 2 into 10 minus 5 by 10 minus 5 by 10 minus 4, 10 minus 7 by 10 minus 6, 10 minus 10, 10 minus 9 by 10 minus 8. After that 10 minus 11. 10 minus 11 means it comes to, we stop before the 10 because n equal to 10. So we take only before the 10. So 10 minus 11 means it is a minus. So we stop up to this. Therefore 10 minus 9 by 10 minus 8. So after that 10 minus 10 means it is a 0, it comes to infinity. So we stop up to this. So n equal to, that means we stop up to 9. So into pi by 2. So the next step 10 minus 1 means 9. 9 by 10 into 10 minus 3 means 7 by 8. 10 minus 5 means 5 by 6. 10 minus 7 means 3 by 4. 10 minus 9 means 1. 10 minus 8 means 2. 1 by 2 into pi by 2. The next step you just cancel this. 5 into 10. So 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10. So 2 here. Next 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. Next so we cancel this. So the next step, 63, we multiply the 9 into 7 into pi. So 9 7s are 63 pi by 2 into, that means 2 into 8 into 2, 4 into 2 into 2, so 512. So 63 pi by 512. This is the answer for first problem, first subdivision. Next second problem, first problem second subdivision, integral 0 to, first problem second subdivisions, integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power 7x dx. This is the given integral. Now we take it, this is here 7 is the odd number, therefore integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power nx dx equal to n minus 1 by n, n minus 3 by n minus 2, n minus 5 by n minus 4 up to etc 2 by 3 if n is odd. N is a odd number, therefore n equal to 7. I substitute n equal to 7 means integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power 7x dx equal to, you substitute n equal to 7 means 7 minus 1 by 7, 7 minus 3 by 7 minus 2, 7 minus 5 by 7 minus 4, 7 minus 7 means it comes to 0. So we stop up to 7 minus 5. So before the 0 we stop. 7 minus 5 means 7 minus 7 means 0, so you stop up to this. Therefore 7 minus 1 means 6. 6 by 7 into 7 minus 3. 4 by 7 minus 2 5. 4 by 5 into 7 minus 5 means 2 by 3. So you cancel this. 3 divide the 6 means 2. So in the next step here, that means 3 and 6 cancelled. Therefore 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 by 5 7s are 35, 16 by 35. This is our answer for second subdivision. So next third subdivision, integral 0 to pi by 4 sine power 6 2x into dx. So let u equal to 2x. So let u equal to 2x means here you substitute. So you here you take u equal to 2x. So du by dx equal to, you differentiate with respect to x. So du by dx equal to 2 into, you differentiate the x means 1. So 2 into 1 2. So you just cross multiply. Du equal to, that means du equal to 2x. So that means you write it dx equal to du by 2. So du by 2 equal to dx. So next you change the limit. The x limit is 0 to pi by 4. You find out the limit for u. So x equal to 0 to pi by 4, u equal to, now you substitute here. The substitution is u equal to 2x. So you substitute x equal to 0 means u equal to 0. X equal to pi by 4. 2 into pi by 4 pi by 2. So the u limit is 0 to pi by 2. Therefore you substitute. So here you write it integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power 6 into 2x means u into dx means du by 2. So here integral you substitute 0 to pi by 2 sine power 6 u into du by 2 equal to, you write it 1 by 2 is the constant. 1 by 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power 6 u into du. In the next step here is the sine function, the n is even. So n is even means you take the formula 6 minus 1 by 6, 6 minus 3 by 6 minus 2, 6 minus 5 by 6 minus 4. After that 6 minus 7. 6 minus 7 means it comes to the minus value. So you stop up to the positive value. So you stop up to 6 minus 5 into pi by 2, because even power means you take the pi by 2. So next 1 by 2 into, you write it 6 minus 1 means 5. 5 by 6 into 6 minus 3 means 3 by 4 into 6 minus 5 means 1 by 2 into pi by 2. In the next step now you cancel the 6 and 3. So this is a 2. Therefore you write it 5 by 2 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So the answer is 5 pi by, that means 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, that means 4 4s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 into 2 64, 5 pi by 64. This is our answer. So now fourth subdivision, integral 0 to pi by 6 sine power 5 3x dx equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power nx dx equal to n minus 1 by n minus 3 by n minus 2, n minus 5 by n minus 4 up to etc. 2 by 3. Here you see n is a odd number, so this is the formula. Now we take u equal to 3x. So u equal to 3x means, so you differentiate with respect to x. So du by dx equal to 3. So next you differentiate the 3x. 3 into differentiation of x is 1. So the right hand side equal to 3. So next step du by 3 equal to dx. Now you change the limit. The x limit is 0 to pi by 6. So u equal to, you substitute x equal to 0 means you get the answer u equal to 0. You substitute x equal to pi by 6. You substitute here pi by 6 means 3 and 6 cancelled, pi by 2. Therefore u equal to pi by 2. Therefore 0 to pi by 2. That means here you write it the given limit, given integral. That means 0 to pi by 6 sine power 5 3x dx equal to, you substitute integral 0 to the pi by 6 means the pi by 6 means the limit is pi by 2. You substitute here, instead of pi by 6 you substitute pi by 2. So 0 to pi by 2 sine power 5 3x means u du by 3. The next step 1 by 3 into integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power 5u du. So next n equal to 5. N equal to 5 means it is a odd number. So odd number means this is the formula 5 minus 1 by 5, 5 minus 3 by 5 minus 2. After that 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5 means it is 0. So before 0 you stop. 0 means it is 0 is not take. So you stop up to this. Therefore we write it 1 by 3 into 5 minus 4. 1 means 4 by 5. 5 minus 3 means 2 by 3. Therefore you write it 8 by 45. That means 5 3s are 15, 15 into 3 45, 8 by 45. This is our answer. So you see that in sixth subdivisions, integral 0 to 2 pi sine power 7 x by 4 into dx. You see that here u equal to x by 4, so you take u equal to x by 4, so differentiate with respect to x, du by dx equal to 1 by 4. So you just cross multiply 4 into du equal to dx. Therefore just you substitute x equal to, the limit is 0 to 2 pi, so u equal to x equal to 0 means you substitute here u equal to 0, x equal to 2 pi, x equal to 2 pi by 4 means pi by 2. Therefore the limit is the integral 0 to 2 pi sine power 7 x by 4 dx means you substitute u limit is 0 to pi by 2, so you substitute 0 to pi by 2 sine power 7 x by 4 means u into next du means dx means you substitute 4 du. So therefore here that means here we take the u is x by 4, so you differentiate with respect to x means du by dx equal to 1 by 4. So the next step you write it is just a cross multiply 4 into du equal to dx into 1 dx, therefore 4 du equal to dx. So here is substitute, that means integral 0 to 2 pi means integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power 7 x by 4 means u into next dx means 4 du equal to 4 into integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power 7 u du. So the next step n equal to, now you see 7 is a odd number, so n equal to 7, so integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power n x dx equal to, that means you write it n minus 1 by n into n minus 3 by n minus 2 n minus 5 by n minus 4 up to etc. This is a odd number, n is a odd number, into 2 by 3, so you substitute 4 into substitute 7 minus 1 by 7, 7 minus 3 by 7 minus 2, 7 minus 5 by 7 minus 4. After that 7 minus 7 means 0, so you stop up to this, before the 0 you stop, so 7 minus 5 by 7 minus 4 equal to 4 into 7 minus 1 means 6 by 7 into 7 minus 3 means 4 by 5 into 7 minus 5 means 2 by 3. So we just cancel this. That means we cancel cancel this, that means 3 divide the 6 2 times, 2 3s are 6, so 2, so you multiply this, 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16, so 4 into 16 by 7 5s are 35. Next we multiply 4 into 16 64 by 35. This is the answer for this integral 0 to 2 pi sine power 7 x by 4 dx equal to 64 by 35. This is the answer. So you see that example 9.37, integral 0 to pi by 2 sine square x plus cos power 4x dx. Now we evaluate this integral. So integral 0 to pi by 2 sine square x dx plus integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power 4x dx. So now this you see that sine square means it is a even function, even number. This is a cos power 4x means it is a even number. So you take the formula 0 to pi, integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power n x dx equal to n minus 1 by n into n minus 3 by n minus 2 into up to etc. 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So next integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power n x dx equal to n minus 1 by n into n minus 3 by n minus 2 up to etc. 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So we substitute here, that means n minus 1, so n is 2 minus 1 by 2 into 2 minus 3 means minus value comes, so we stop up to this into pi by 2, plus next 4 minus 1 by 4 into 4 minus 3 by 4 minus 2 into 4 minus 5 means minus value come, so we stop up to this into pi by 2. Even number means we start the last term factor will come pi by 2. So in the next step 2 minus 1 means 1 by 2 into pi by 2 plus 4 minus 1 means 3 by 4 into 1. Here next 4 minus 3 means 1, 4 minus 2 means 2, so 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2 equal to, this is a 1 by 2 into pi by 2 means pi by 4, plus next 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2, so 3 pi by 16, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So the next step you take the 16 as a LCM, 16 into, now you take the 4 4s are 16, so you see the LCM is the 16, so you convert the denominator 4 into 16, so multiply and divide by 4 by 4 means 4 pi by 16, so 4 pi plus 3 pi 7 pi by 16. This is the answer for the given integral. So in the next step, 8th subdivisions, integral 0 to 1 x square 1 minus x whole cube dx equal to, that means m equal to 2, n equal to 3. So here is substitute, this is the integral 0 to 1 x power m 1 minus x whole power n dx. So m factorial into n factorial by m plus n plus 1 whole factorial. So you substitute, so m equal to 2, n equal to 3. So you substitute 2 factorial into 3 factorial. So x power m 1 minus x whole power n. So m equal to 2, n equal to 3. So 2 factorial into 3 factorial by m plus n plus 1. So 2 plus 3 plus 1 factorial equal to 2 factorial 3 factorial. This is a 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6 factorial. So you write it 2 into 1 3 factorial. So write next to 6 factorial. In the denominator you write the 6 factorial is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. 3 factor 3 factor cancelled. So we cancel the 2 and 4. So that means 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So you write it 1 by 6 into 5 into 2. So 30 into 2 60. 1 by 60 is the answer for the given in this integral. You see that example 9.38, integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power 4x into sin power 5x 73 dx. So here now we evaluate this. So here integral, that means you write it, just doing the class is all the determinant 3 into cos power 4x minus 7 into sin power 5x into dx. So equal to, now you apply the integral to the every terms. So you write it integral 0 to pi by 2 3 cos power 4x dx minus integral 0 to pi by 2 7 sin power 5x dx. So in the next step you write 3 into integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power 4x dx minus 7 into integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 5x dx. So in the next step you write integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power nx dx equal to, you write it n minus 1 by n minus 3 by n minus 2, n minus 5 by n minus 4 up to etc 2 by 3. Next integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power nx dx equal to n minus 1 by n minus 3 by n minus 2 up to etc 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So you substitute 3 into, you write it integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power 4x dx minus 7 into integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 5x dx. So you write the formula n minus 1 by n minus 3 by n minus 2, n minus 5 by n minus 4. So you substitute n equal to 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4 minus 2. So next to 4 minus 5 means minus 12 will, minus 1 will come. So if stop up to positive answer, we stop up to this. 4 is the even number, you multiplied with the pi by 2. Next minus 7 into, this is the n equal to odd number, so 5 minus 1 by 5 into 5 minus 3 by 5 minus 2. We stop up to this because 5 minus 5 it comes to 0, so we stop up to this. Therefore in the next step you write 3 into 4 minus 1 means 3 by 4 into 4 minus 3 means 1, 4 minus 2 means 2, 1 by 2 into pi by 2 minus 7 into, you write it 5 minus 1 means 4 by 5 into 5 minus 3 means 2 by 3 equal to, the next step you write, that means 3 9 here 3 pi by 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So 3 pi into 3 9 pi by 16 minus 7 into 4 2s are 8, 8 by 15. Therefore 7 8s are 56. So 56 by 15. So 9 pi by 16 minus 56 by 15. So this is our answer. So in the next step example 9.37, integral 0 to 1 x cube 1 minus x whole power 4 dx. So here you see that this integral you compare with this general form of the integral. This is the formula. So integral 0 to 1 x power m 1 minus x whole power n dx. So here x power m means m equal to 3 and 1 minus x whole power n means n equal to 4. So you substitute in the formula. Formula means integral 0 to 1 x power m 1 minus x whole power n dx equal to m factorial into n factorial by m plus n plus 1 whole factorial. So you write it 3 factorial into 4 factorial. So here example 9.37, integral 0 to 1 x cube 1 minus x whole power 4 dx. So you compare this integral, this two integral. Therefore m equal to 3, n equal to 4. So m equal to 3, n equal to 4 means you substitute in the formula m factorial into n factorial by m plus n plus 1 whole factorial. So 3 factorial into 4 factorial by 3 plus 4 plus 1 factorial. That means 3 factorial into 4 factorial by 7 plus 1 8 factorial. Therefore 3 factorial means 3 into 2, 4 factorial means we write 4 factorial by, we write it, that means 8 into 7 into 6 into 5, 4 factorial, 4 factorial, 4 factor cancelled, 3 2s are 6, 6 6 cancelled, so 8 7s are, that means 8 into 7 into 5, so 8 into 7 into 5 means here 280. This is the answer, 1 by 280. This is the answer for the given integral. Integral 0 to 1 x cube into 1 minus x whole power 4 dx equal to 1 by 280. This is the answer. So you see the formula, this is the formula, integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power mx cos power nx dx equal to, this is the formula, n minus 1 by m plus n into n minus 3 by m plus n minus 2, n minus 5 by m plus n minus 4 up to etc. 1 by m plus 2, m minus 1 by m into m minus 3 by m minus 2 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. If m is even and n is even, here m and n are even means we apply this formula. Next, sin power m, integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power mx cos power nx dx equal to n minus 1 by m plus n, n minus 3 by m plus n minus 2, n minus 5 by m plus n minus 4, 2 by m plus 3 into 1 by m plus 1. Here n is odd and m is even or odd, so this is the formula. Next, integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power mx cos power nx dx equal to m minus 1 by m plus n, m minus 3 by m plus n minus 2, m minus 5 by m plus n minus 4 up to etc. 2 by n plus 3 into 1 by n plus 1. Here m is odd and n is even. So this is the formula for the integral sin power mx cos power nx formula. Here m is even, n is even means this formula. M is odd and n is even means this formula, and n is odd, m is even or odd means this formula. So these three formulas we used the following problems. So example 3 is 9.39. This is the example 9.39. Subdivision 1, integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 5x cos power 4x dx equal to, here we take the sin power mx cos power nx dx general format. So m equal to 5, n equal to 4. So here m is that means m is odd and n is even. So the formula is integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power mx cos power nx dx means here m is odd and n is even. So the formula is m minus 1 by m plus n, m minus 3 by m plus n minus 2, m minus 5 by m plus n minus 4 up to etc. 2 by n plus 3 into 1 by n plus 1. So you substitute here, that means m equal to 5, n equal to 4. So you write it, m minus 1 by m plus n, m minus 3 by m plus n minus 2, m minus 5 by m plus n minus 4 up to etc. 2 by n plus 3 into 1 by n plus 1. You substitute m equal to 5 means 5 minus 1 by 5 plus 4, 5 minus 3 by 5 plus 4 minus 2, and next m 5 minus 5 is 0, so we stop up to this. Next 1 by, that means here 1 by n plus 1, n means 4 plus 1. So the next step 5 minus 1 means 4 by 5 plus 4 is 9, 4 by 9 into 5 minus 3 in the second term, second factor 5 minus 3 2 by 5 plus 4 9 minus 2 7, 2 by 7 into next factor 1 by 5. So this is the factor 4 by 9 into 2 by 7 into 1 by 5. So 4 2s are 8 by 9 into 7 into 5, 315. This is the answer, 8 by 315. This is the answer. So next example 9.37, subdivision 2, integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 4x into cos power 6x dx. Here m equal to 4, n equal to 6. So m and n are even. So here the formula is n minus 1 by m plus n into n minus 3 by m plus n minus 2, n minus 5 by m plus n minus 4. Next n minus 7 means it comes to minus value, so we stop up to this, into 1 by m plus 2 into next m minus 1 by m into m minus 3 by m minus 2 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So we substitute n equal to 6, m equal to 4, 6 minus 1 by 4 plus the 6, next into n is 6 minus 3 by 4 plus 6 minus 2, next 6 minus 5 by 4 plus 6 minus 4, next 4 minus 1 by 4 into 4 minus 3 by 4 minus 3 into pi by 2. Therefore you write it 6 minus 1 means 5. 5 by 10 into 3 by 4 plus 6, 10. 10 minus 2, 8. 3 by 8 into 1 by 6 into 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. Therefore 3 pi by 512. This is the answer for the integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power 4x cos power 6x dx. So next exercise problem, first problem, fifth subdivision in exercise 9.6, first problem, fifth subdivision, integral 0 to pi by 2 sine square x cos power 4x dx. So here we take a sine power, that means the general format is integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power mx cos power nx dx. Here m equal to 2, n equal to 4. So the formula is n minus 1 by m plus n into n minus 3 by m plus n minus 2, n minus 5 by m plus n minus 4, 1 by m plus 2 into m minus 1 by m into m minus 3 by m minus 2 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So we apply n minus 1, that means n minus 1 means 4 minus 1 by m plus n means 2 plus 4. Next into n minus 3, 4 minus 3 by 2 plus 4 minus 2 into n. N means 4, n means here n equal to, that means 4 minus 3 by 2 plus 4 minus 2. So the next step here, that means m minus 1. M minus 1 means here you write it. M means for 2 minus 1 by 2 into 2 minus 3 minus value. So we stop up to 2 minus 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So here, therefore 4 minus 1 means 3, 2 plus 4 6, 3 by 6 into 4 minus 3 1, 2 plus 4 6 minus 2 4, 1 by 4 into 2 minus 1 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So we here, that means 3 and 6 we cancelled by 2. So we write it, that means 3 and 6 that means 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 2. So therefore you write pi by 2 4s are 8, 8 4s are 32. So pi by 32 is the answer. Next exercise problem, 7th subdivision, integral 0 to pi by 2 sine cube theta cos 5 power theta cos power 5 theta d theta. So here that means sine power m means 3, cos power n equal to 5. You substitute in the formula. Here m is odd and n is odd, both are odd numbers. So you write the formula m minus 1 by m plus n into m minus 3 by m plus n minus 2 into m minus 5 by m plus n minus 4 into up to etc. 2 by n plus 3 into 1 by n plus 1. So here m equal to 3, n equal to 5. 3 minus 1 by 3 plus 5 into, you substitute, that means here 2 by, after that 3 minus 3 0. So we stop up to this 3 minus 1 by 3 plus 5. Next 2 by n value is 5. 5 plus 3 is, here you write it, that means here 2 by n plus, not here, 1 by n plus 1. So 1 by n value is 3. So n value is 5. So 1 by 5 plus 1 will come. So therefore 3 minus 1 means 2. 2 by 8 into here 1 by 5 plus 1 is 6. 1 by 6. Therefore we just cancel that. That means 2 means 1 2s are 2, 1, 3 2s are 6. So here 3, 8 3s are 24. Therefore 1 by 24 is the answer for this integral. Therefore integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power 3 theta cos power 5 theta d theta equal to 1 by 24. This is our answer. So evaluate integral 0 to 1 x power 5 1 minus x square whole power 5 dx. So here you write it x equal to sine theta. So x equal to sine theta means differentiate with respect to theta. So dx by d theta equal to definition of sine is cos theta. So which implies dx equal to cos theta d theta. Therefore integral 0 to 1 x power 5 1 minus x square whole power 5 dx equal to integral 0 to 1. Here first you change the limit. The x limit is 0 to 1. I substitute. Therefore theta limit equal to, so x equal to 0 means theta equal to sine inverse of 0 0. Next x equal to 1 means theta equal to sine inverse of 1. Sine inverse of 1 means sine inverse of sine pi by 2. So pi by 2. Therefore theta equal to pi by 2. So 0 to 1 the limit changes to 0 to pi by 2. So I write it integral 0 to 1 x power 5 1 minus x square whole power 5 dx equal to integral, that means I write it, that means 0 to here the limit changes to 0 to pi by 2. Here pi by 2 will come. 0 to pi by 2 x value is sine, so sine power 5 theta into 1 minus x value is a sine square theta, 1 minus sine square theta whole power 5, dx value is cos theta d theta. Therefore integral 0 to, here the theta value is 0 to pi by 2, pi by 2 will come here, 0 to pi by 2. So 0 to pi by 2 sine power 5 into 1 minus sine square theta cos square theta whole power 5 into cos theta. Dx means you substitute cos theta d theta, so I substitute cos theta d theta. So integral 0 to, here pi by 2 will come, pi by 2 sine power 5 theta cos power 10 theta into cos theta d theta. And the next step, sine power 5 theta cos power 10 plus 1 11 cos power 11 theta d theta, where m equal to 5, n equal to 11. Therefore the integration is, the answer is, that means this is the formula, n minus 1 by m plus n, n minus 3 by m plus n minus 2 into n minus 5 by m plus n minus 4 up to etc. 2 by m plus 3 into 1 by m plus 1. Here m is odd number and n also odd number, both are odd number. We complete the class.